All right, so we're looking at the week 1 walkthrough. What do we do for week 1? That's what you're looking at right now. So I'm going to click and open week 1. A couple things to note. Let's actually go back quick. Is over here, you'll have some daily work that's assigned and due. And sometimes the daily work is like on Thursday, take notes, or on Tuesday, take notes. That's what your daily work is that day. Okay, so however long it takes you to do that, there might be a little assignment at the end to do as well. Okay. So week 1, what are we doing? You're watching the walkthrough first. We also have a to-do list that walks through everything to do every day. You can read through that, ask questions as needed. But in general, I will post things in our weekly folder in the order you need to access them. So if you're an A kid, we're going to go through this all together. We might be reading this all together. Okay. But if you're a B kid, you should click on this document and open it, and you should complete your iPad setup on your own. So watch a YouTube video how to access that and so forth as you go through. Okay. Next, you should be watching the screencast about our course, read over the syllabus, read the article about how to be a good distance or digital learner, and then take that feedback reflection quiz. That one is participation, just looking for a little feedback. Tuesday, these are videos that are in your iPad setup, but if you don't watch them, they're good reminders, or if you need a reminder. You're watching a video lecture and taking notes. Okay, with the notes, just as a side note, you're going to download the notes and add them to Notability. You're going to add them to the Unit 1 folder that you're going to create. And if you don't set up your Notability that intently, we can work on that together when we come together as B kids on Thursday. Okay. Wednesday, you're going to take a little practice quiz review from observation versus inference, and then you have a About Me card that you're making. So you'll click on the assignment, and it'll pop open. Oh, it's not accepting submissions. Okay, so I'll fix that. But it'll pop it open. You'll make a copy, make sure it's shared with me. There's an example here and a direction walkthrough about what to do. Okay. Thursday, we got entry 1 notes. So what I'm going to do, similar to before, I'm going to click on the assignment. When it's notes, download the notes. It's Myth of Science today. Submit them there. And then the last thing you need to do, you're watching that video lecture, is watch this walkthrough about how to color your periodic table. You're going to add that to your Notability notebook as well. Friday, we have a shorter assignment. And then whatever you haven't finished yet needs to be done. So one thing to note is when at the end of the week, I'm going to take all of our daily work assignments, I'm going to put them into the portal. Okay, so it's really important as we're distance learning that you stay on top of whatever your work is. Preemptively ask questions. If you're a full-time distance learner, Wednesday is your best time to ask me questions. I'm still trying to figure out how, but on this main page, I'll have like a sign up for WebEx meetings for Wednesdays. Okay, again, that's the day for everyone to get help. If you're a distance learner, that's the only day you can get help, because I'm only available from 7 to 3, guys. So you have to make sure that you get help during that time. If you're in class, you get the bonus time with me, and if you don't, then you don't. Okay. Every week we'll have something that looks like this: a week folder, Unit 1, Chemistry and the Weather. That's what we're going to talk about most. We'll start that more next week. I'm going to give you an overview of what the week is. There'll be a walkthrough and a to-do list, and then your days will be organized. So if you're in class on Monday, you don't got to worry about the Monday folder, because we're going to be doing something similar in class. You only have to do that day of the week, and then you should be good to go. All right, guys, love you. See you soon.